In this, we're going to process our standing orders. Starting with the dashboard, if we click on standing orders, that gives us a list of all the standing orders that we have. That's not where we need to be to actually process the standing orders. So let's go back to the dashboard. We actually need to come across to transactions. Standing orders on this will do the same, will give us the list of all the standing orders. But we need to process the standing orders. So we click on process standing orders. Now we have a list here of all the standing orders that are due to happen that haven't happened but are due to happen up till and including today. But I'm not looking at anything beyond that. I'm going to set a cut-off date. I'm interested in the transactions, the standing orders up to the end of May. Now I can look at this because I look at this one, this donation from JO, and the last date I've got here is the 10th of April, which suggests to me that it wasn't posted, it didn't occur in April. I'm just going to double check that, so click on the tick box and then I can show details. So it is what I sort of expect it to be. It was there as a food bank donation. But it's not gone through in April because I haven't posted it, and I can't see it on the details for May. So my suspicion is that whoever JO is, they have now decided that they're no longer going to support the food bank. So I am going to select the one in May as well, the corresponding one, and I am going to delete selected items. Perhaps I've heard from JO that they wish to stop. So, are you sure you want to delete selected orders? Am I sure? Yes, I know they want to stop supporting the food bank. So I click OK. You may have multiple accounts with standing orders in, so you can choose to limit it to just looking at one particular account, so maybe your current account or your deposit account. I will change it to the food bank account. Doesn't make any difference in this particular case because they're all paid in to the current account, the food bank account. All of these I have evidence on from the bank that these have all gone through, so I can select all here, or I can select all by simply clicking this button. If only some of them have gone through, you can select individually by just selecting the ones you want, or you can select all. Obviously you can select none, but we're confident that they're all there, so we select all. We don't need to show any details on this occasion, we've looked at that already. Now we can print these, get a report on all these before we post them, but it probably makes more sense to get the report once they've been posted. So happy they all should be in the accounts, so I hit transfer to post them. Now if I come out a little bit, I can then click yes to that report. I'm not worried about any details at the bottom. I like in these circumstances, have the pence, commas, yes, not bothered about pound sign, let's know it's all pounds. Happy with all of that, refresh that, and then I'm going to preview it. And there it has, it transfers me to another tab on my browser, and I can see there the various descriptions and the amounts, the credits and the debits, the double entry credits and debits, and what the nominal accounts are, the accounts they've been paid into, the dates that they applied, and it also gives me the audit numbers and the references. And over here it gives me the funds and the fund type. They've all been paid into the or from the Food Bank restricted account. You can print that or download that to keep it if you wish to. I'm going to close that, and then we can close that there. I would say the cut-off date now being the 31st of May, there are no entries left because we've either deleted them or they have been posted. So they've all been processed. And we go back to our dashboard.